How can you make 10, 50, or even $100 online? We're gonna talk about it on this video. Let's hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur channel. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. This is Carlos from Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And in this video, we're gonna talk about how can you make 10, 50, or even $100 online. But before we get there, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button below that says subscribe, hit the notification button, and hit the bell notification button so you are the first ones to know when I release my videos, when I release them. Have any questions? Leave it in the comment section. Leave me comments below. I would love to answer your questions, and I would love if you give me a thumbs up or you give me a thumbs down on my videos. Any engagement will be very appreciated. And now we gotta go into how can you make money online, and this is one of the better ways to actually get started so you can start earning commissions. We are gonna go check this right here, and this is a website, and this website is called The Bump. Now we're gonna come out of there because I want to show you that when you go to Google and you enter in the search the top 10 strollers, just for example, and the reason why I did this is because I was searching online for strollers because obviously I'm interested in them, and as a new father I want to find which ones are the best strollers for babies. So if you go to the first page of Google, you are gonna go and see all this bunch of pictures, right? But you actually want some information on it. You want to know which ones are the best, what are the pros, what are the cons. And I noticed something, right? You are gonna have this website right here, 10 best strollers, 10 best baby strollers of 2019 for parents, and then you can see that this is called the babylist.com, a web to know.com, then you got what to expect.com. So when you think about it, when you're a customer, you are not gonna go into the first website and actually buy from there, right? You want to have different opinions on the products, so you are gonna go check at least the first 6 to 7 websites in the first page of Google. And I actually bumped into this one, and that was the one I checked after, right? And then as I'm looking to it, I'm reading and I found this stroller. Now what really caught my attention was this right here. Why? Because as I'm teaching you guys affiliate marketing on this channel, the best way to make commissions is by creating a website, and this one is specifically for baby strollers, and this one right here is an affiliate link. Now what is an affiliate link? It's a piece of code you gotta get when you join certain affiliate programs, and they gotta give you your specific link, and when people click on that link and they buy any products that you are actually promoting, people are gonna click on that link. You're gonna make the sale, and the company is gonna pay you commission because this link is specifically made for this website when they subscribe to the Amazon Associate program. So when I click over here and I purchase this stroller, and maybe I decide to purchase some other things, my end cart could be at $514.97. If I decide to purchase this plus this plus this, and one click, the purchase from Amazon is gonna be $514, and depending of the commission structure, these guys are making $100 up to $200 on this one specific sale from me. And if you are in the first page of Google, imagine what is the traffic that they're getting from people looking for these strollers. Not only that, but maybe you're looking for something else and you're gonna decide that you actually click to the link. That piece of code, which is called a cookie, it stick to my browser. And if I decide that I'm not gonna purchase this, but I stay with Amazon, or I come back tomorrow to Amazon because I already click on that link and that cookie stick to me, they still gonna get the sale. I believe it's 48 hours. It's been a while since I've been with Amazon Associates. I'm doing other products right now. But for this example, I want you to see that it's possible that you can make 50, 100, or up to $200 sometimes, depending on how many people visit your website and they decide to click on your link and purchase from your affiliate link. So let's say I decide to go and I click on the Wirecutter. This is another website about strollers, and I can assure you that if I click on it, they actually might bring me over to the Amazon, like you see right here. 280 from Amazon or Pick. So they're making probably $50 on the sale, depending of the Amazon structure of the sale. And what I want to show you is that to join Amazon as an associate is completely free. And this right here is the Amazon Associates program. You can log in right here, or you can join absolutely for free. There's gonna be a few questions that they're gonna ask you, and one of the things they ask you is what website do you have. They want your URL so they can actually know that that's the way you're gonna promote these products. And right here is the standard fee schedule. So for luxury, beauty, and Amazon coins, you get a 10% for every sale that you make. Furniture, home improvement, lawn and garden, pet products, right there you got one. Pets is huge. It's like a huge niche. And if you love pets and you have your own pet and you know which products you buy all the time, you can actually create a blog post about it, and you get 8%. Headphones, beauty, musical instrument, business, and industrial supplies, you get 6%. So as you can see, there's endless commissions. You got Amazon Fire tablets, devices, the Fire Stick, watches, jewelry, shoes, handbags, and accessories. You get 4% for every sale depending on the price. So you can make your $10, your $50, or $100 for every time somebody buys from your product. So all you need to do is create a review website. And actually, we're gonna go check this other topic that I was searching the other day. Was looking for a Fire Stick for my house, and you can see right here how does the Amazon Fire Stick works, and this is www.dummies.com. If I click on it here, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna have an affiliate link that is gonna send me back to Amazon, and their cookie is gonna be stuck to my browser, and they're gonna get the sale. As you can see right here, Fire TV Stick, the images from Amazon. And if we look, you see right here, Amazon Prime. I click on this one, or I click on this one, or I click. They're all sending me to Amazon, so they are gonna make a sale if I go and I click on these links and I go and purchase. So that's how you can create money online. That's how you can make your commissions by creating a blog. As you can see, this one's a very simple one. This is dummies.com. You create a catchy name, and then you go and actually start promoting these products, or you actually start reviewing products, which I think is the best way for beginners to start. One piece of advice that I can give you is the first mistake that I made was that I start creating a blog post. and I paste my affiliate links on every single page, and I didn't have any traffic when I first started my website. I didn't make any sales. And I think that the first thing you need to concentrate is setting up your website. Not only you set up your website correctly, but also make sure you concentrate on the first 3 to 4 months of only creating content. Use use tools like keyword research, and I'm gonna show you this so you guys know what. Maybe you're asking yourself, well, what am I gonna write about? If you go out, you see right here related, you see best lightweight strollers. You see right here, best lightweight strollers, 8100 volume of searches on Google. And if you decide, to retarget them with ads, it's got your cost. This is CPC, cost per acquisition, or cost per click, is 74 cents for every time somebody checks this best lightweight stroller through an ad that you place on Google. And it gives you tons of idea right here. Best baby strollers with car seat, 1600 views. Best baby strollers 2018, 2900 views. And if you want to write some other topics about it, you still get all the way up to here 170. UPA baby 2017 Vista stroller, or Britax B Agile number 3. And I know my brother was looking for the same thing, so there are different ways that you guys can create a blog about strollers, and then you can create a lot of pieces of content about the same topic, but in different type of keywords that you can actually rank and be at the top of Google. And as you can see, there's many websites right here, like this nuggetbaby.net. And the one thing I want to be upfront with you is, like, just because you're gonna go and create a piece of content doesn't mean that you're gonna start making sales the next day that you actually posting your blog post. You have to give it time. Your website, especially when it's brand new, takes a little time to actually start ranking in Google. But the more content that you write, the more that you create better content, better reviews, and you start working on your keyword research and understanding how to create these websites, the faster you are gonna start ranking. And then when you start getting enough traffic, you start putting your affiliate links on every blog post, so you can start creating those sales. Now, if you're looking for a get rich quick scheme, this is not the video for you. If you're not willing to put in the work, then this is not for you, and you can actually just go and jump on somewhere where they can give you like a fake story about how you can make money online tomorrow. Because I can tell you this much, for all the strategies that you see online, every single one of them requires work and it requires time. And if you're not willing to put in the work, then you're never gonna make money online. And the one thing I want to show you is where to start. And I had this question in one of my videos about, I have no idea where to start. I'm totally confused, and I'm gonna show you a community that I belong to, and there's gonna be a link in the description. And also, I have a few bonuses that I want to give you guys if you join right through my affiliate link. Yes, it's an affiliate link to this community, but I believe for someone that is a complete beginner, it's the best way to start. And the link is gonna give you, I believe they're still offering the 7-day free trial. And what I want to show you is a community I belong to, and the place for you as a complete beginner to start in creating your websites is called Wealthy Affiliate. Maybe some of you haven't heard from it. That's where I first started trying to learn affiliate marketing and how I could create websites and passive income. and this community really took me in, teach me a lot of stuff. I learned a lot from them, and I believe as a beginner, it's one of the best places if you want to create websites and start creating passive income. The great thing about here is they have training, and that will take you on the online entrepreneur certification. You got the affiliate bootcamp, and and that will show you the training activity. And literally, this training will show you click by click how to start creating your website and how can you monetize every blog post that you create. And I want to show you, let me see where it is, live events. This is the thing that I love about this specific community, that there is training every single week. Every Friday night there's a training. So as you can see right here, they got automation strategies with Instagram. They have Instagram feed and story posting strategies, amplifying the direction of your Instagram brand. But not only that, you can go back and back and back, and actually, let's click on that one. That was researching audiences niches. So there's training that you can go back months and even years, where there's certain topics that they talk about, and they will guide you on picking the right niche, and also how to create a piece of content. And if you're still a little lost about how to do keyword research, they will actually help you with that also. And it's the thing that I love about this community. You can also go into your dashboard, and if you notice this, there's people posting all the single time. This one was about 3 hours ago. How long should your post be? And you see there's like 55 comments on their specific post. People constantly helping people. And this is another one right here where you can type your message and people will reply to you if you have any questions. Kyle is one of the guys that one of the founders of this community. But that's not all. This is my one tip for you. If you click in here, you're gonna click on links and tracking. And guess what? You can promote this website. So once you join this website and then you go and promote it while you're learning, you can actually start making commissions. If you create a website where you talk about a wealthy affiliate and you're promoting them and people sign up under your link, you start making commissions, and with that money you can actually invest it on your other websites that you want, or within the same website you can actually promote it and start making commissions right away. So you can make your $10, $50 or $100 many different ways. It's just a matter of you putting up the work. So if you found very valuable information in this video, give me a like, and also leave me comments below if you want to know a little bit more about it. I will be more than glad to talk to you how this community can help you create your websites. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button if you haven't, so you get notified when I release my videos when I release them. And I will see you in the next video.